Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day. Today's going to be a quick one, but something that we could run across on the support side every once in a while. So just want to go over the proper ways to close out of your SolidCAM project. Now inside SolidCAM, you guys will probably realize that there is no save button. Everything is saved automatically when you guys click a save and calculate or hit a green checkbox. Things are being saved. But there are some steps to properly close down out of the file. So two ways of going about it is you guys can come over here, right click and say close right here. This will properly close out of your SolidCAM file, or you guys can go on your tab right here and click the close button right here, and this will properly close your CAM project down as well. If you guys do come over to the top right, what's happening is we're closing out of the SLD-PRT file and the SolidCAM file at the exact same time, and sometimes the CAM project cannot get all the functions saved before it's closing out of the SolidWorks file. So just kind of keep that in mind. So if you guys are trying to do a quick exit out of closing up here or this one right here, you guys may get an error that pops up next time you open up that part file saying part was not open or closed properly. Would you like to open it from the temporary file or the original compressed file? And when that error does come up, you guys always want to do the temporary file. But to avoid getting that error, like I said, just come over here, right click and do close, or come up to your ribbon up here and just say close as well, and everything will be saved exactly how it's supposed to be for you guys. So that's your KevCAM tip of the day, and I will talk to you guys on Monday for the tip of the day then. Thanks guys.